Respected students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss a question related topic, that is vectors in two dimension, and this question take as test, and this test consists of 16 marks. Each and every part is given to you and marks are given. Okay, and try to solve these questions yourself, and after a while I will discuss. This one is the continuity of the statement. Okay, now you can pause and try to attempt these types of questions yourself, then compare with my solution. I will discuss. Okay, thank you, best of luck. Okay ji, hoping that you have done your work, and the first question is you have to express as simply as possible in the terms of A and B, that is AB. That AB can be used here by triangular law, that OB minus OA you can use, or either you can use that you can start from first letter and end at last letter, that will be AO plus OB. So the solution is here because this OA is A, but we are using the direction that is AO, opposite direction, then we'll use here negative A. The answer will be B minus A. Okay, the next one is AC. So AC, you can use triangular law, that is AB plus BC. AB we have already solved out in the first part, and BC is given to you, that is 4A minus B. Then you will simplify and the answer will be 3A. Now for the C part, CD you have to find out, but remember that OA over OC means OA we got A, and OC we get out, that is find out the value of OC is 4A, means that is 4 times of A. So when A will be cancelled out, the ratio will be 1 upon 4. So you can use that 1, and total will be 4, so this will be 3. So if you are going to use CD, the CD ratio of CD upon AB, that will give you 4 by 1, and AB will be multiplied with 4, so answer will be here. Is it? Okay, the next one is find in simplest form in the ratio, that is perimeter of triangle OAB ratio perimeter of triangle OCD. The concept of perimeter is adding boundary wall, or you can use that OAB means that you are using length of OA plus OB plus AB or BA. So all the length are given to you, that is A, B and AB. Similarly, that will give you 2B, and the perimeter of OCD, the same concept we used here, and we got 8B. Now B will be cancelled out with B, and 2 will be divided on both sides, that will give you 1:4. So this is answer will be 1:4. The next one, the area of triangle OAB, here we use the formula that A1 over A2 is equal to L1 over L2 whole square, that area of similar figures. And for the corresponding lengths we used here OA OC. So OA is 1 and OC is 4 ratio in the ratio. So we used here that is 1 upon 4. The answer will be 1 upon 16. So this will be your answer. Check your answer yourself. Okay, now question number 12. In this part it is given to you that D divides AB in the ratio 3:2, means this one is 3 and this one is 2. Similarly, E divides AC in the ratio 3 and 2, so this will be 3 and this will be 2, and we will use this concept in the upcoming parts. Okay ji. Now with the previous discussion, now you can use that AD is equal to 3 upon 5 into AB, and AE is equal to 3 upon 5 into AC. Now the question is, show your using vectors that DE is parallel to BC. Now concept is, when you are using the parallel vectors, the concept will be A ratio A is equal to MB. If two vectors can be written in this form, then such vectors will be parallel. So how can we use this concept here? DE is parallel to BC. First we find out DE. DE can be used at triangular law DA plus AE. Start from first letter and end at second letter. All the concepts is given to you. Okay, the simplification is here. Check your simplification. Now at the end we got that DE is equal to 3 upon 5 into BC. So this concept is using here. So you can say that DE is parallel to BC. The same concept we have already used here, that find the ratio area of triangle ADE and ratio area of triangle ABC. The formula is L1 over L2 whole square. So use here the length AD upon AB. The answer will be 3 by 5 square, that will give you 9 upon 25. Okay, almost last question of this test. That is the important one is, F is midpoint of AB, means that this value AF and FB will be equal in length, and similarly that H is the midpoint of AE, so this length and this will be equal, and G divides BC in the ratio 1:2, 1:2. So this is information we have already used here. Now F, we have to find out FH. Now using the triangular law, FH, FA plus AH. So because we are using that opposite direction, and here we use the sign will be changed here, negative A plus B plus A. So there will give you B. Next one is, using vectors show that GD is parallel to FH. This concepts already we have used here, that two vectors can be parallel if they are written in the form of A ratio A is equal to MB and something ratio. So we used here GD is equal to. Now remember that GD can be used or can be find out by either methods. GD that can be used we can find out GC plus CD, but CD is not given to you. So you will use here GB plus BA plus AE plus ED, and all lengths are given to you, and you have to focus the directions. So at the end we got GD is equal to 2FH. Now the same concept as a parallel, so it means that these two vectors are parallel. Now last part is, it is given to you, the C is given to you, and express DC in terms of B. So DC, using the triangular law, starting from first letter and ending at last letter, DG plus GC. DC, that will be DG plus GC. So okay, DC that can be used as DG plus GC, and the values is given to you, DG is minus 2B and GC, that is we have got the method is here. We find out GC is equal to twice of C, but where the C is the value is given to you, and you just replace this value into the C and simplify this one, and at the end we got the answer 8 upon 5 into A minus B. Hoping you have solved the question very well, and write down your marks in my comment box. Thank you.